My name is Karen Lee Pollock, and I'm an immigration attorney at the law firm of Bell, Nunnally and Martin. I'm often asked by clients, how do I bring a family member to live and work in the United States? How do I sponsor them for a green card when they're living overseas? Well, the first question that needs to be asked is, are you a citizen or a permanent resident? If you are a U.S. citizen, there are different family members that you can sponsor that a permanent resident can't. For example, as a U.S. citizen, you can bring your siblings to live and work in the United States and sponsor them for a green card, whereas a permanent resident cannot. Also, the wait times for a permanent resident to sponsor a family member are far longer than for a U.S. citizen in certain circumstances. There is virtually no wait for a U.S. citizen to bring over a parent, spouse, or minor child, whereas there is a wait for a legal permanent resident to bring over a spouse, child, or child. A permanent resident cannot sponsor a parent. So there are advantages of becoming a U.S. citizen if you are eligible and you want to bring over family members. Regardless of whether you're a permanent resident or a citizen, the first step is to file a Form I-130 petition for alien relative with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service in the United States. That application establishes the family relationship between you and your family member. You would provide marriage certificates, birth certificates, passports, photographs to establish a relationship. That takes approximately 5 months to be adjudicated. Once the USCIS approves the petition or family relationship, they will then notify the U.S. consulate where your family member lives. And the Kentucky Consular Center in the United States will notify you or your agent to file certain forms for your family member. Those forms are filed in the United States with the Kentucky Consular Center and involve applications for immigrant visas on behalf of your family member and possibly their derivative beneficiaries such as children. They will have to provide supporting evidence. Again, original documents or certified documents are required, and any document in a foreign language must be translated. They will have to also go for a medical exam in their home country. The type of documents that are submitted to the Kentucky Consular Center include birth certificates, marriage certificates, if there are any criminal records, any charges and disposition sheets, and police clearance reports to show, hopefully, a clean record. Once the Kentucky Consular Center receives those documents and there is a visa available, your family member will be scheduled for an interview in their home country. Provided all the documents are in order, they will be issued a stamp in their passport to enter the United States. It is only once they enter the United States that they will be issued a green card at a later stage. And that's how you will bring your family member who lives in another country to the United States. If you have questions regarding this process, feel free to call me. I look forward to talking to you.